You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to fix and increase low call volume on your iPhone. First, during a call, press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone to ensure it is not simply set too low. Next, check if the issue is with a specific contact or all calls. If it is all calls, clean the speaker grill at the top of your phone near the front camera with a soft, dry brush to remove any dust or lint blocking the sound. Then go to your iPhone's settings, tap sounds and haptics, and under the ringer and alert section, drag the volume slider all the way to the right. Also ensure the change with buttons option is turned on for easier control. A crucial setting is to disable phone noise cancellation. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then select Audio Visual. Here, toggle off phone noise cancellation. This feature can sometimes lower call volume in an attempt to block background noise. Finally, restart your iPhone. If the problem persists, test a call with both wired headphones and Bluetooth to isolate the issue to the phone's internal speaker, which may require professional service. For more simple iPhone fixes and tutorials, subscribe to the channel.